Hey guys, hope you are doing well. I am just about to cook lunch for my family. Sorry, it has been really busy and I haven't been for the last few weeks able to sit down and work out something, a feast to share with you guys. But I promise some amazing new recipes are coming to you guys very, very soon. But today's lunch, looking at my attire, you think it's November, but actually it's August and it's freezing outside. It has been raining all morning, so I'm making some nice beanie burgers, really nice, simple, delicious beanie burgers. So I've got two medium-sized potatoes. I am going to peel them and then boil them until they're soft. So it only takes around 4 to 5 minutes, this size of potato pieces. Obviously, if you know, the potatoes are different, yours might take a bit longer. I'm just using a knife to check it's cooked, and it's definitely done. So I'm going to drain these first. I'm just going to let them cool for 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And I've got two tins of borlotti beans. Stop laughing. And Sia is helping me make these burgers. So we're just going to drain and rinse them. The potatoes are cooling down there. Look at lovely henna that I did on Sia's hands. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, so just going to drain and then just let it sit for just so that all the water comes out. And oops, I've got one red onion which I'm just going to thinly slice. So I'm just preparing the layers for the burger. So I've just got half a cucumber, some red onion thinly sliced, just in rings, and I'm just pulling them apart just so we have nice rings. A little bit of salt for both of them. It's just nice because if you kind of add some salt and pepper, then it's quite nice when you layer them in the burger, because then they're not just plain. So a bit of chili, a bit of lime juice, you can use lemon if you have that. And I'm just going to let this sit while I go and prepare the burger. So that's the cucumbers done, and that's the onions done. So in goes the beans, and I've got a nice potato masher. Just going to try and mash, well, Sia is going to try and mash it up. Right, so I'm going to instruct and Sia is going to act on it. And in the end, we'll have some lovely burgers for all of us. So we resorted to hands because the masher was taking forever. Then we add the, oh dear, okay, let's see if it's easier by hand. It's probably easier by hand. I just prefer using hands for cooking. Just take your salt.
Okay. This failed.
Okay, we've resorted to what is it called?
Grater.
Yes, grater, because they were a bit too not hard. They're cooked, but they were a bit too hard for to press by hands. Not all of them, some pieces. So yes, do as whatever works for you is my motto. There are no rules, and yeah, and the sun is just trying to come out, so I might be able to get rid of this jumper finally. It's only August. First things first, we're going to add some corn flour because that is going to help bind 1 tablespoon, yes please, because it's going to help bind the burgers and then they won't split. always when you're pouring this, pour it like this, so then it's evenly distributed. Oh well, it's fine this time. Yeah, do half a tablespoon more, please. So 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. It's a lovely sour spice blend. And also going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Yep. And also going to add 3/4 teaspoon. So she hasn't filled the teaspoon up. It's just 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we are just going to get stuck in. Yes, go in, rub it all in so the spices are mixed together, the corn flour is mixed, and then it's that simple. And one last thing to add is 1 teaspoon of rose harissa or any harissa paste. And again, that's a spice blend of chilies and a few other things. If you can't find that, it's absolutely fine. You can add maybe a teaspoon of pesto paste, or just leave it, just some chili paste if you want extra kick. So just get 1 portion and just bring it together, shape it like a burger bun, burger roll, burger. And just repeat the same with all these, the whole portion. So that is going to make around 6 or 7 or small 8 burgers, that whole mixture. So now that Sia has, thanks Sia, has shaped the burgers, I am going to cook them. So I've got some sunflower oil, just very little, 2 tablespoons in a pan, and I'm just going to cook one. It won't take long because everything in here is cooked. So just a couple of minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden. Right, it's time to turn this over and check out. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Definitely looking stunning. So this comes off now, and I've just got a shop-bought burger bun, and I'm just going to quickly cook it for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to put it, I forgot to put some butter on it. Just putting a little bit of butter. So I've got the bottom bit, and I want to have lots and lots of cucumbers, some onions, lots, and then our gorgeous beanie burger. And then I'm actually going to add a little bit of chili sauce. Okay, instead of chili sauce, okay, no, I want to add one more thing. As you can tell, it's not like a pre-made recipe. It's just something that I'm putting together for lunch. Obviously, you can add any sort of toppings to this. What I feel right now is some mayo, and that's what I am having. And instead of chili sauce, I've got some chili oil, which is even hotter. Oh, this is going to be deadly. And then the lid. And that is the beanie potato burger done and ready. And now time to sit and enjoy this somehow. Oh my god. The slight crispiness on the top of the outside of the burger, super soft inside. You can really taste the beans. I love it with carrots and onion. You can have it with, I love it with carrots and onions. You can have it with salad leaves, spinach leaves, any other sauces or chutneys you want to add. For me, this is perfect. If you skip the butter on the bread, this is completely vegan and delicious, and I hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon, yeah, bye for now.